Good morning, guys. This is Alan here. And as you can see right now, we are in a trade on ES, right? So as soon as price came higher, right, from this downswing lower, I wanted to see them come and take this out for the draw, right? So as soon as price reached down lower and I see them move up towards this volume imbalance right here, right? That's where my entry is, right? You guys can see that right here. Whoop. See that? Right when it came up, right into that volume balance and then reacted off of it, I took my entry, right? So now I'm looking for price to move lower into this level here, maybe target these lower levels, but I'm closing majority of my position below this low right here. So I'm gonna hover this close button, partial close, probably closing about 16 contracts. As soon as it gets below that low right there, I'm taking 16 out. And this was a very quick trade. Obviously, when it came up, I took my entry. I started the recording, but my mic was not on, so I'm just redoing it again. So, anyways, happens, right? So we're looking for this trade to go lower, and right after this move lower, I was debating if I should take partials, but instead just let it run to hit that, right? And then it did come back up higher, right? Drop lower now again, looking for this candle or next candle to come down and take this out. If the next two candles don't do that, I will collapse the trade. All right, very, very simple, but I do think this candle or the next candle will come and take out that low right there. So this is a very, very quick trade, right? I did want to catch longs on the way up, but I couldn't really talk myself into getting an entry when it already moved so dynamically. So we're gonna have to just kind of settle with the short in the PM session, right? Because this move lower here ran up. I was debating trying to get us clear these lows maybe and then get into a position higher, but didn't happen. So and then it just obviously ran for lunch, right? And now moves higher, trades up into all my targets that I wanted to, but it's okay. We just let this run now. We see a nice imbalance right there, right? Looking for price to maybe drop, use that and drop lower into taking out these lows here. The issue I do have is that it took out these lows multiple times. So it took out this low here, right? Ran higher, took out this low here. Looking for this to be respected and then roll over and continue going lower towards this low right here, right? Let's see on the 5 minutes. So the 5 minute, there is this balance right here below this low here that I do think they can maybe get down into, right? Maybe get down into. All right, so I'm gonna close this so this is the first candle right here, right? Next candle. I want to see it get down. That's about 45 seconds to get down there. So yeah, looking for this candle to get lower. Want to see it kind of give a good push lower. So I'm waiting for the last 10 seconds to see, or last 15 seconds to see if it can move right now. Waiting for it. Yeah, I'm gonna close 16 contracts. Why is it -4? Okay, whatever. It's kind of weird. Yeah, should be okay now. Yeah, okay. So, all right. I didn't like that it did not move low below this, so I'm gonna take partials because if it wanted this, it should really be animated, go lower, and try to really, really get that, right? So as you can see here, all right, got this, put out there, about what, four handles, which is okay, not too crazy, but still something. So we have this. Stop was just above this here, but I wanted to put this above here just in case I want to give up that and then the wick just come up and then roll over. So that's why my stop loss is here instead of here, right? And I wanted a little bigger stop, so that's my stop up there. So this was already a one-to-one trade, right, that we closed out. You want now we can kind of move our stop lower into kind of where our entry is at, because we don't want to see it come back up to our entry now. Like realistically, right here's an entry, don't want to see that. So I'll probably give it like 6 ticks right there. So now, right, we can still see it hovering around here. It's not doing too much, right? But this is still the target for now. I really want to see it get through it, but since it's taking a little longer, I might close another one contract as soon as it gets through that and just kind of pick our time with that. Yeah, it's taking its time for sure to want to go lower. Maybe it's holding for the next 3 minutes, you know. But let's see it. Looking for this to go lower, right? And you guys can see price comes. There's a little fair value gap there. Look at that. Price comes right to it. Sinks, right? So this is a, how do you want to say it? A way the market makers are tipping their hand, or smart money tips their hand to smart money traders, right? Where we're looking at I want to say signals, but like, or like basically institutional, I don't want to say sponsor because it's different, but more so like the market makers are tipping their hand to traders that do see this, right? And they say, hey, look, it filled this perfectly. Big displacement lower is what we'd like to see. Takes out this low here. Sells out the period resting below this low here, right? We're looking for maybe this run lower into this level down here, right? So if you guys want to take a look at this, you guys can, right? There you go. Price is dropping a little lower. Let's do partial of, let's do 2. There you go, boom. Take 2 more out there. And then we will put, yeah, there you go. Boom. And then next one will be here, or maybe here. Okay, solid. Move lower. Yes, nice. So there's that 5-minute imbalance that maybe you can reach down towards. It is trading down into this bearish candle here, right? Let's see it though. So I did take 2 contracts off here. Looking for this next level here now. Maybe get down to it. Maybe. And slap this around break even. Let's do one handle break even. Just leave that there. Don't expect it to come. If it comes up there, then okay, we're out. But takes out this low now. Looking for next low down here. We can get down there, right? So as you can see, entry stop above was above this high here, right? So about what, a 4 handle stop. And price moves lower. Looking for it to continue going lower. Take out this low down here, maybe. Nice. We see good reaction, right? Really good reaction. Yeah, pushes into this candle here. Close one more. Close one more there. Shaving us off one at a time. Now last contract here. 41.68. 41.60. I'll do 12. I'll leave it there. Above that, give it a little room to breathe. Maybe a 1 pip above to breathe. So we do see it filled, taking it out. So I wouldn't be surprised if it ran above this, right? But it's trading into this candle here. Must stop above this candle, this green candle. It should act as resistance to either continue price moving lower or just takes it out and we're out of the trade. Very simple. So this is a kind of a trade breakdown, like I said, right? We see price trade up higher into the level premium, right into the high, right? You guys can see. See that? The low of that candle, 41.78. The high of that candle, 41.79. You see, so it trades right into the tip of that, the low of that daily candle. So fills it perfectly, right? And then now it drops lower, right? Drops lower, trades back up into this. I take my sell, sell this a little bit, drops lower, take my profit out, and we're holding for this low here, right? Or even this low here is what I'm saying. The imbalance or fair value gap right there, right? So price did come relatively close to the stop, but did not stop us out. It was literally one tick away, literally. Right? 41.68.5, stop 41.68.75. So we see price come up higher, kind of close in this candle, which I don't really like. I do not, if I'm honest with you guys, I do not like that at all. But we're looking at this as an area that they should not take out. So if price does continue going lower, that's fine, right? But we will see. We shall see. So we see this low take out. Build this right here. Yeah, I think it's about to run up right now. Yeah. It's okay. If it takes us out, then we're done, basically. Very, very quick trade, as you guys can see. No other trade execution is still on. No other trades, right, in the morning. So very, very good. Or sad that I did not catch it, but it's okay. Miss all the time. There's moves like that happen all the time. We're about to get stopped out in profit right now, which is perfectly okay. It's like point. It's like one tick away. If it wants to just tag in, I can just make it easier by just closing it, but it is fine. One more, come on. Boom, 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 bump it. There you go. So bumps are right there, right? That will kind of wrap up the trading for today. All right. So this is how it looks, right? As you can see, volume imbalance, all right, bearish order block, price tags that, I enter, all right. Price then respects going lower. I did not take partials because I wanted this target to be taken. Price runs up, rebalances or reprices up into this fair value gap here. Drops lower, take my TP, take my partials out. All right. Very, very simple. And yeah, hope you guys had a good trading day, right? Hope you guys continue to have a good trading week, right? And yeah, we're gonna progress like this and see. Hey, I want to teach myself that it's okay to miss these moves. Like I know these moves are amazing, but we're not going to be able to catch every single move higher. Right. So just teaching myself that, allowing myself to, watch these moves play out and not feel a an emotional attachment to, hey, I have to take a trade, I have to do this, or I have to do that. All right. So this trade is now done and booked. All right. Hope you guys have a good trading day. You guys have a good rest of your trading week. Stay safe and good luck and good trading, you guys.